chilly out, but the sun keeps peeking through the trees. We just finished our hike. We hiked Joaquin Miller, and it's so easy to get lost. In fact, we did, and it's not a true hike if you don't get lost. So we're heading back in the car, and we're gonna go to lunch in... Where are we going?
Yeah, that's everything.
It's gonna come.
We just went to the Yellow Door in Montclair, and I got, they're known for their cookies, right?
No, for everything.
They're known for everything. I got their vegetarian soup of the day, minestrone. Very good. And now we're trying this, chocolate chip walnut cookie, so let's try it.
First reaction?
Gooey, crunchy, buttery, flaky goodness. I just got home. Sorry for the crazy face. I'm doing the last bit of this Glow Recipe face mask. This is what it looks like. Hyaluronic clay pore tight facial. Just gonna do my skin and I'm gonna put on this Mad Hippie vitamin C serum. That's what it looks like. Since I'm not going anywhere, I'm just going to apply this nighttime facial moisturizing lotion. Okay, my skincare for the night is done. And let me show you really quick. I was just searching for nail inspo and hair inspo because tomorrow before my flight I'm getting my nails done and a haircut. So I will show you a nice dark brown, and then for hair something like that. I want to increase my side bangs and I want my hair cut like that. Good morning, it's 10:57. I have an 11 a.m. nail appointment. Look at those bad boys. I need to get them done horribly. I'm headed home today, home aka LA. My flight is at 4:30. I'm going to my mom's after this. I need to drop this car off at her house, and then she needs to give me a nice nice haircut. So I thought I'll just bring you along for the tail end of my trip home. I was just gonna do a day in the life, but I may as well prolong the video and bring you along for the rest of the day. So let's go get our nails done. Just got my nails done. This is what they look like. I got a nice brown color and like a dark purple on my nails. Just drinking this Vita Coco coconut water. It's 12 o'clock. They did our nails so quick. I want avocado toast.
It's really pretty one. Oh, you got this one.
I'm home.
I really hope my
We're watching Bachelor in Paradise.
With the
Hot sauce.
Dustin Poirier.
What even is this? I ordered this on Amazon.
Aiden.
Yeah, Aiden recommended this. Heartbeat hot sauce,
UFC fighter Dustin Poirier.
red habanero. super good. Mwah.
But it doesn't come out of